Hello everyone, this is Dr. Aditi Kulkarni. I am a consultant physiotherapist and ergonomist. I am the director of Be Active Physiotherapy and Ergonomics Clinic. On the basis of Corona, I thought why not to teach you all about the daily exercises which you can perform in the home to increase your lung capacity on the physiotherapy point of view. The second important part is that I am going to tell you today what exactly Corona is all about, what are the preventive measures you can practice at home. Corona is a virus. Before getting the actual symptoms of the coronavirus, you may be sick for the 1 to 14 days. You will start developing the symptoms like the dry cough, can be the fatigue, can be the fever, or sometimes the breathlessness. Then at the same point of time, if you are developing the symptoms, visit your nearby health facilities which is provided by the government immediately and screen for that particular symptoms and get the treatment done as soon as possible. Because most of the people who are having a good immune system are able to recover. But the people who are more vulnerable are the elderly people. The people who are having the old age or the underlying some respiratory conditions or the heart diseases are more prone to get these virus infections and they are getting affected more severely. To prevent all these things, you can wash your hands daily for the 20 seconds. You have to wash your fingers, you have to wash your thumb, you have to wash your palms from the front and the back up to the elbow. It can be with the water and the soap or with the alcohol-based hand rub. The second is that whenever you are going outside, while coming inside the house, you just take a proper bath, wash your clothes, then join your household core. If you are having the symptoms for yourself itself, then isolate yourself in the room. As soon as you are fully recovered, then you can join all the household core activities. Now, I am going to tell you some of the exercises which can help you to improve your lung capacity. Now, this is a spirometer instrument which I am going to show you today. This is generally people think that it is for the people who are going home and getting a discharge after the post-surgical interventions. But now as we are all at home and we are sedentary, we have to perform this inspiratory and expiratory capacity exercises even at home. This is a spirometer which you can perform like this. It has a 600, 900 and 1200 cc per second capacity. This is the inspiration which I just performed. Now we are going to exhale. This way you can perform exercises for minimum 5 to 10 times as per your lung capacity and as per your tolerance capacity. Now the second exercise for the day is going to be your pursed sleep breathing. You can sit relax in any kind of a chair or the sofa or the table or otherwise on the bed. You can perform like this. You have to breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. This is, we call it as a pursed sleep breathing. You are not going to blow out through the mouth. You are going to just slowly release the air from the mouth. The third exercise is going to be holding like this like a pinch at the tip of the nose. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth for the 5 repetitions, and then you can do the breathing through your nose and breathe out through your nose itself. Like this. And now you can do it for the nose. Breathe out. Now we can actually start the dynamic exercises like upper body and the lower body. You can involve along with the range of motion along with your respiratory capacity. Like this. This is first. Second. Or you can involve your lower extremity along with your upper extremity. You just have to keep your palms hand behind the back. Then you automatically stabilizes your spine. Just shift forward and do this exercise in the sitting or even in the standing. Like this. Like this. And in the opposite side. Like this. Any doubts or any kind of a doubts if you are facing regarding this, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number which is 9405616125, or otherwise you can like my Facebook page which is Be Active Physiotherapy and Ergonomics Clinic. For any kind of an assistance, you can ask to go and visit any kind of an health center which is nearby available to you. Stay home, stay safe. Be careful about the coronavirus. Just follow the guidelines, do some exercises to increase your lung capacity. Thank you.